doing today?
We're just starting our road to Hana trip on the east side of Maui.
It's very cute over here.
We just drove through Paia. We're about to embark on a nice 3-hour
3-hour tour.
But I like Paia. I like this whole side.
Look at
Graveyard.
this.
Yes. My church. Yes. Your cows are
I
dead.
don't have any cows though.
Yes. Now you don't. Oh, he's talking to us.
Okay.
I just love the ice creams and the gelato and the traffic light.
You ready? Twin Falls, here we go. First stop on the road to Hana. Here's us stopping in Keohe really quick. Little view of the coastline and all the beauty that exists within. Look at this.
The one my heart has gone to me, I want to wait.
Maybe in Hana. And a big old rope swing. Oh my gosh.
Ready, set.
There's a waterfall. You can jump off the waterfall and walk. Okay. We just went on a little adventure, walked around, checked out the beautiful peninsula you could probably see behind us. I don't know. This is what it's called. Nahiku. Nahiku, Machiku, Machu Picchu, all the things. This place is pretty epic. I wouldn't mind being able to retire down here. You're just tucked away. Nobody will ever find you up here. You have plenty of waterfalls. You have big swimming holes. You have fun places for families to cut back and relax. There's a local church. I mean, it's just everything you ever wanted. And then some. I mean, how can you beat that? Look at this. Quite possibly the most epic lunch location. Subway. Alright, we're gonna see if we can come out and get down to that Black Sound Beach right down there. Maybe out over onto those cliffs way out there. Look how pretty. Oh, cool, Lolo. Look at the epic color right there. Holy smokes.
Looks like an alien planet.
And look, crazy. Look at this. Oh. Okay, are we heading back? Alright, let's go on and head back. Note to future self, grandkids, great grandkids, and us in the future. On this other side of this beach, right over here, right at the very tip top, you can pitch tents and sleep over or camp over here overnight. And then if you look up there, you can kind of see some cabins sporadic. If you have a reservation, you can go through and reserve a cabin and stay here. It's a state park. Pretty legit. I want to do it in the future.
Where are we?
Haleakala National Park. We're going to the Ohio Falls pools, or the 7 sacred pools.
Something. We're doing something.
We're gonna walk down and then hopefully we can get into the sacred water of Hawaii that's not so sacred. And no, there are not 7 pools, there's more like 24.
So there's not 7 and they're not sacred.
We'll see what kind of adventure we can go on today. This is the end of the Hana trip. End of the road. Jack. Before we turn around and head back. There it goes. We're gonna go up there.